Unlocking Success: 5 Essential Tips for a Fulfilling Life. Have you ever wondered what it takes to achieve success in life? The key lies in adopting powerful habits and mindsets. Firstly, setting clear and achievable goals is crucial. These act as a roadmap, guiding you towards your vision of success. Secondly, embrace failure. It's not about falling down, it's about what you learn when you get back up. Thirdly, maintain a positive attitude. Your mindset influences your actions, and positivity can open doors you've never imagined. Fourth, never stop learning. Knowledge is power, and staying curious can lead you to discover new paths to success. Fifth, surround yourself with people who inspire you. The company you keep can uplift you and push you towards your goals. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Implement these tips and watch as your life transforms in remarkable ways.